In this video, I'll tell you what to do if a game crashes during startup with the fatal error failed to load IL2CPP message before you even reach the main menu. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Start by completely closing both the game and Steam, then check whether a new update is available for the game. If there is one, install it first and try launching again. The next step is checking the actual game files. Open your Steam library, right-click the affected game, choose Properties, go to Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically download any files that are damaged or missing. If the problem appeared out of nowhere, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection and then check Protection History. Your antivirus may have quarantined one of the files required by the game. If you are completely sure the file belongs to the original legal game installation, you can restore it or simply verify the game files again through Steam. Do not restore random files if you are not sure where they came from. If you use mods, BepInEx, or other files that modify the game, test a completely clean version without them. An older or incompatible library may stop working after a game update and cause the IL2CPP error during startup. Remove the modified files and verify the game again so Steam can restore the original installation. It is also worth closing unnecessary programs running alongside the game and trying another launch. If failed to load IL2CPP still appears after all of that, uninstall the game and perform a clean installation. Before deleting any leftover folders manually, make sure they do not contain your save files, mods, or anything else you want to keep. Reinstalling should be the final step because updating and verifying the files is much faster and can often fix the problem without downloading the whole game again. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.